welcome under her tail. There'll be a welcome under her backside.
The bestiality is great. My bestiality is great.
You do a Welsh accent and you stand there and wait and wink at you. In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the sheepies go bah, bah. Quite creepy when the get the chill go through the woods. About 5 o'clock.
Hey,
And it's wow. It's a really chill wind. Chilling wind. And it's coming from the north. Yeah, that is a bit nippy. Oh well, time to mosey on. Never really shows on modern cameras just how steep things are. It's fucking steep. That's fucking steep. Oh well, on we go. This is the mountain bike track. Well, it's a sheep trail, but the thing is, it kills the tree roots. Which, not exactly good. Especially when it's on a steep, very steep hill. Because what you end up with is landslides. And you can see where they've done it on purpose on the other side of this hill. You've actually got people living at the bottom where it's even steeper than the left-hand side of Minehead on the coast. They've basically killed off all the trees, left the stumps, but they poisoned them. So the roots are going to die off, create cavernous areas underground, which creates landslides. Crap. And even though it's blowing, cold, I'm freaking roasting, sweating. Oh boy, I should just gallivant up this. That's the problem when you've got smashed legs, hips, knees, wrists. Oh crap. Homemade vodka. Keeps you going. Shit. Tempting to actually camp. I keep saying it, down here somewhere. So it's a different location, but there's a lot of sheep in the woods at the moment. A bit of lambing. Stupid time of the year to be lambing, but you know, the warming and all that bollocks. It's not the steepness of it down here. I don't know, it just feels weird. So I've gotten so used to being in the same place, it feels more reassuring in some ways. Although, I don't know. I think down here there's too many leaves. Have a little fire in the morning, or a little fire in a bit to get rid of the bugs. Although, not too many bugs at the moment, he says, before he gets to his destination. Another thing though about being here is that the main footpath is just, it's through a lot of bracken and gorse, but that's not very far to somebody walking their dog. Not to them, but to their dog. If they get my scent, you know, one hyperactive puppy in your hammock gets shredded. Prevaricating over, walkie. It's quite funny. I'm pretty sure that the only people watching my videos are the people who, these influencers like Delfield and that other nonce called the other Jewish cunt. Past 69 with the bugger badgers and watch a sheep. Because they actually reference my comments in their videos. Like, what was it Belen said? That child stalking nonce. Oh yeah. Oy vey in the bum, he said. Referencing comments I've made about him. Anyway, stalking a child, recording her from the rear. They are fucking creepy. Who's the king of creeps? The creeps or the creeps that follow? Right, fuck! My fucking boots that I've only had 3 months. Literally, a little twig just ripped a hole in it. Fuck's sake! And these are expensive. That's it. Shit, that's good. Next time, I'm getting the cheapest fucking boots possible. In fact, it's all made in fucking China. You basically pay extra for a label. Fuck it. I actually might buy a pair from AliExpress if I can find something big enough. Unlikely, I know, but... Although I did get a pair of those flip-flops with the, acupuncture nipples in them. They fit. They go flip-flop and not flop-flip. So maybe they're like, anyway. Yeah, note to self, look for booties on AliExpress. Can't be any fucking worse than buying in the shops in England. They're all fucking made in China. Trees. Well, the rain, bollocks, don't slide down the hill. The rain should hold off until later. Fire pit's still there. So, I should break off these dead bits really, but they're held on so securely with ivy. Same as that one, it's not going to come off in the wind. That little bit might. Yeah. So little bits might actually stab through the hammock. Fresh evidence of sheep pissing where I piss. Pissy, pissy, pissy. Okay, dead bits. That's right. So I was going to put the polyplastic on differently, but with all that, it's really windy. Oh crap, look. I can actually see for the first time right through the trees. See, straight across there at night is where you get all this weird activity. Let's see if we there. It's really a cleared patch. I did get a picture of it before from the top of the hill. I mean, you can't tell me it's forestry when it's happening between midnight and 3 in the morning. A lot of helicopters as well. Right, pitching time. I'll pitch, not receive, because I've got hemorrhoids.